Hello and welcome to this training course on SESAR, an acronym for Secure Exchanges Send and Receive. In this video, we'll explore how SESAR works, its usefulness, who can access it, where it's installed and its many advantages. SESAR is an innovative solution developed by secure exchanges to secure and efficiently manage your confidential document exchanges. Its main role is to synchronize and secure all exchanges and documents signed or received by your organization's users. Only one license is required per organization. Here are the main features in more detail. SESAR can be installed on a Windows server that you already own or in a cloud machine, as long as this machine remains under your total control. The information it contains is stored securely and only accessible to a restricted number of authorized people. Imagine a double-locked vault where every confidential piece of information sent or received by email is stored in total security and reaches the right destinations. SESAR makes it easy to retrieve and return previously sent confidential content, even after the standard 30-day period has expired. This feature allows users to easily retrieve their mailings via their respective event logs, without the need for IT department intervention. Thanks to the use of webhooks, SESAR can trigger customized actions such as automatic document classification, archiving in specific folders, or the startup of complex workflows in the CRM, thereby improving the efficiency of business processes. By synchronizing with Azure AD, SESAR enables efficient user management, ensuring that the right people have the right access. SESAR enables signature links to be regenerated, or the order of signatories to be changed, for a document that has already been sent but is still awaiting signature. This flexibility makes it possible to adapt to the changing needs of signature processes. Here are a few examples of how our customers use SESAR to help you see how it works. Law firms can benefit from SESAR to ensure that communications with clients are not only secure, but also properly stored and accessible when needed. When documents need to be reviewed or resent for clarification, SESAR enables these documents to be retrieved and resent quickly, even after the standard 30-day expiry date. By reducing the time spent organizing and searching for documents, SESAR allows lawyers to concentrate on higher value-added tasks, such as legal strategy and client representation. SESAR helps financial institutions meet stringent data management and audit compliance standards by keeping complete and secure records of all exchanges. This is essential for regular audits and to demonstrate compliance with financial regulations. For health centers, SESAR improves the efficiency of internal processes, reduces the risk of human error and ensures that the center complies with strict patient data protection regulations. Medical documents and patient communications can be secured and managed efficiently. Monitoring of treatments and prescriptions can be automated, with webhooks notifying pharmacists or nurses of new prescriptions to be prepared or adjusted. These are just a few examples. SESAR is designed to fit your vision, offering infinite possibilities for securing and managing your document exchanges. SESAR is accessible to any organization using secure exchanges to secure its confidential document exchanges. Its flexible installation guarantees seamless integration into your existing infrastructure while ensuring data security. Any employee can make a request to SESAR to retrieve a document that they have sent or received using secure exchanges. Only the members of your organization that you select will have access to all the messages sent and received via secure exchanges. Secure exchanges does not keep any copies of your message content and never has access to it. In conclusion, SESAR is much more than just a service for copying your exchanges. It is an essential tool for securing, managing, and automating exchanges within your organization. Its simple integration and advanced features improve productivity while reducing document handling. By using SESAR, you free up your employees' potential, allowing them to concentrate on strategic and essential tasks, thereby optimizing your organization's business processes. It couldn't be easier. Secure Exchanges is cybersecurity made easy for everyone. Check out our other videos to learn more.